Welcome back to AJ Kitchen Paper. I'm Asset, this is Oats. 2 types of yaki udon, let's do it.
Let's go!
So then, ladies and gentlemen, let's chop up an onion for ourselves. Slicey slice, boys! And off to the side. Alrighty, grab some spring onions, chop up the ends, and let's slicey slice them up. Now this is just a garnish, so do be careful about leaving these boys in the fridge for way too long, because we did that, whoops. Now then, ladies and gentlemen, let's grab our udon. Grab your home brand noodles and we can get cooking. So shove these boys in the microwave. Please take them out of the packet first, oh my god. Alrighty, Rooski, off to the flame. So shove in a tablespoon of oil, swish it around, get everybody nice and coated on a high heat. And then shove in your onions, hello. Sweat those boys up and then you can shove in your meat packet. So about 200 grams of pork for your liking. And then in goes about a half a packet of kimchi. Give everybody a nice stir together and get them all nice and cooked through. And then in goes a tablespoon of mensu for flavour. A nice mixity mix. And then add in your nudes, because long white wiggly nudes are what all the Japanese are about. Add in a good sprinkly poo of shichimi, and then mixity mix that boy all together and you're done. Here is Oats' hack way to make a poached egg. So shove in your egg into a microwave safe dish with a couple of tablespoons of water and then into the microwave for about 40 seconds. And now we're ready to plate up, ladies and gentlemen, so grab a big old heaping bowl of noodly nudes. Make sure it is just packed to the rafters. Never watched the show, not interested. Sprinkly sprink on some bonito flakes and slop on your beautifully poached eggo. Now then sprinkle on some of those lovely spring onions. And now that everybody's nice and dressed, we can show her off to everybody. Look at them noodly nudes. Now it's time for my favourite part, tasty time. You can just use the dry packet noodles, like the scum you are. No, but for real, either making it from the packet noodles or even doing it from scratch. This is not overly hard, it just takes a long time. And you should be able to make this with the stuff in your fridge pretty much. Super easy, super quick, and relatively healthy. Maybe instead of pasta night, you could have a go at udon night. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, you should be right as rain, so get stuck into it. Let us know how you go in the comments down below, like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Till next time, bye!